In this video I am going to discuss about eccentricity. Okay, so what is eccentricity? Okay, eccentricity. So eccentricity is the ratio of distance of the point from the focus divided by distance of the point from the directrix. Okay, so this is eccentricity. Eccentricity is the ratio of distance of the point from the focus divided by distance of the point from the directrix. Okay, this is called eccentricity. Okay, so for ellipse eccentricity is less than 1. Okay, for parabola eccentricity equal to 1, and for hyperbola eccentricity is greater than 1. Okay, so this is regarding eccentricity. Now what is focus and what is directrix? Okay, so see here, this line, vertical line, we call this line as a directrix. Okay, and if from any point, okay, if I am going to draw a perpendicular line which is horizontal, okay, so this is called axis. Okay, so this is called axis. Okay, so if this is point C, okay, and if this is point F, okay, so eccentricity is somewhere here, distance of the point from the focus. Okay, distance of the point from the focus divided by distance of the point from the directrix. Okay, from the focus and from the directrix. Okay, so for ellipse, okay, what will be the eccentricity? So see here, for ellipse it is given eccentricity is less than 1. Okay, eccentricity is less than 1. Okay, so okay, so this is a point B. Okay, so suppose from this side it is having 3 unit, okay, and from this side it is having 2 unit. Okay, unit 2 unit. Okay, so at that time eccentricity will be how much? 2. Distance of the point from the focus means from here to here it is 2, and distance of the point from the directrix from here to here it is 3. Okay, so this is less than 1. Okay, so this is an example of eccentricity for the ellipse. So this is for ellipse. For parabola eccentricity is 1. Okay, so in that case, okay, so this is directrix again, directrix, and this is axis. Okay, and if this is my focus, okay, and this is a point C over here, so what will be my point B? So point B will be here, okay. So in this case, suppose this is 2 unit and from F to B is 2 unit. Okay, so my eccentricity will be how much in this case? Okay, so this is equal to 2 unit from the focus and 2 unit from the directrix. Okay, 2 unit from the focus and 2 unit from the directrix. Okay, so my eccentricity is going to be 1. Okay, so this is for parabola. Okay, so I can say for parabola my eccentricity is 1. Okay, so I have discussed about parabola, I have discussed about ellipse. Okay, so for ellipse E is less than 1, for parabola E is equal to 1. Okay, now for hyperbola. Okay, so again I am going to draw the directrix and axis. Okay, so this is my directrix, okay, and this is my axis, okay. So suppose this is a point F here. Okay, and now in that case this is my point B over here. Okay, so in this case this is 3 unit. Okay, so FB is 3 unit and CB is 2 unit. Okay, so what will be the eccentricity for this? So eccentricity E equal to distance of the point from the focus is 3 unit. Okay, and the distance of the point from the directrix is 2 unit. Okay, so here you can see that eccentricity is greater than 1. Okay, so the eccentricity is greater than 1, so this is for hyperbola. Now I think you have understood regarding this concept. Okay, समझ में आया? So ellipse में क्या होता है? ellipse में eccentricity less than 1 होता है. Okay, पैराबोला में eccentricity 1 होता है और हाइपरबोला में eccentricity greater than 1 होता है.